Welcome to this second episode of Diaspora Scholars TV, where we are tracing the journey of Rose Imbundu, a licensed financial professional based in Phoenix, Arizona, the Sun City. So she's welcomed us to her home, and it's been beautiful. I mean, it's a bright Saturday, morning. I mean, I wish I was living here. Yeah,
Yes.
and so we are here to really figure out what does she really do. So, Rose, you say you are a licensed financial professional. What is that?
Okay, thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much, Daktari, for having me
Mm-hmm.
to be able to share what I do with families and how I came to know about this information, which is a new opportunity
Mm-hmm.
for most of our community now.
Mm-hmm.
As a licensed financial professional, I'm able to help families to know how to save their money, to grow their money, to protect their money, and to transfer their money to their loved ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I mean, to transfer their loved ones when they pass on.
When they pass on, and this is going to be, tax-free, because there are so many, legal issues that come with that part that most of our community don't know about it. And we see that most of our families, community, immigrants will lose a lot of money during that time through some of the information that I'm going to be sharing later.
Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm excited to learn. And, when I came to your home, I was shocked. I saw so many books, and this is The Retirement Miracle.
Yes.
I see another one here. Money Wealth is about life insurance. When do you read all these books? Financial Pocket Knife.
I've already read all these
You've
books.
read all these books?
I have, yes.
So I figure you definitely have a solution to some of the financial problems that bedevil immigrants when they come to the United States. And we are glad that you're able to share with us some of the things you do.
Yes.
But I wanted to ask you, what does it take to become a licensed financial professional? What do you have to do to become one?
So to become one, you have to be licensed by the state.
So you are licensed in the state of Arizona?
Yes, I am, and other states too, not only Arizona. So it's just like the nursing license exam.
So you take an exam?
You take an exam. So you have to study, take an exam, and then you're licensed in your state, but then you can be endorsed or appointed to also do the same to educate other people in other states. So you're not only limited to your own state.
Okay, so who offers these exams? The state?
Yes, the state offers it. So once you come in, we always teach you show you how you can be able to register and be able to study. Once you're ready, you go and take the test, and then the state will issue you that license.
So, okay, interesting. So it means there is an examination to take. So if I want to become one licensed financial professional right now,
yes,
what do I need to do? Talk to one who's registered like you? Where do I begin?
So you begin by talking to me, who am already registered. So I'll be able, first of all, to educate you on what I'm doing. Before you also, you decide if you want to do it, because it's a free will, So the first thing first, I will be able to educate you, to show you how the portfolios that I'm talking about, how you can be able to save your money, grow your money, which growing your money, it's growing at a higher interest, compound interest rate, also to protect your money.
Where are you saving this? Where is this money being saved? That's the question. If I come to you, I want to become a licensed financial professional. You tell me about, all what you do first. And then, I register for the exam.
Yes.
And then when I pass the exam, I become licensed
by the
to
state.
practice.
Yes.
Meaning to be able to teach other people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's what you are doing right now.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Okay. So this interview is also an opportunity to teach as many people as possible, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yes. Yes. Yes.
So, what do you really do then? I'm interested in how do I invest? Which are the options available, and which one are you recommending right now?
So usually, because I'm a licensed financial professional, we usually educate. We educate you, and then you
Make the decision.
Make the decision. So we don't recommend or we don't advise. That is not, we are not like advisors from the bank. Because once we educate you, you'll be able to make your own choice that is best suited for you.
Okay.
And we have to do financial need analysis. You know, we have to go through all these portfolios. So let's say, for example, I was talking about growing your money. Growing your money, you can grow your money, you know, in the bank. And there's also growing your money in a compounding way. So compounding means you're putting your money in a portfolio whereby it will be able to grow at a higher compounding interest rate than the bank. The bank usually gives 0.01 to 0.02. But when I come in and be able to sit down with you, you know, we can do it on Zoom, we can do it on a one-on-one basis, depending, and I'll be able to show you how you can be able to put your money in portfolios that can compound for you.
So when you are educating me, does somebody pay you for that?
Yes, we get paid once you get these portfolios.
So when I book an appointment with you, for example, because our viewers might reach out to you, so when you are educating them, they don't pay anything?
No, they don't pay anything.
Okay, so the financial education is free?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and then when they make a decision to pick one of the portfolios, then that's when you get paid.
I get paid, but not
by the client. You are paid by the company.
By the company, not by the client.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sounds like a good deal.
Yes. And like I said, you know, there's so many benefits that these portfolios offer. There's something like income protection, the one that I just mentioned, but I'd just like to expound on it a little bit more. Because when we talk about income protection, we are talking about when somebody can get sick, illness. We know, you know, sometimes you can get sick, right? So when you get sick and you're not able to go to work, do you have something that can replace your income? You know, getting sick, it's a matter of if or when, you know. So when you answer that question, and we know even when people are getting older and older, they get sick, right? So when that time comes and you're sick, you're not able to go to work. This is where by this portfolio, if you have one already in place, it can be able to substitute, you know, to come handy and be able to take care of your family.
Take care of you when, you know, you are not able to have an income.
An income, yes. We know most families have like mortgages, you have a car note, and those are the things that you pay monthly. So when you get sick and you are not able to do that, that is whereby this portfolio comes handy, and it's able to help you pay for those, you know, those bills.
Those are, okay.
Yes.
How can people reach you? Because this show, we want to provide opportunities for that financial education to happen.
Yes.
So they can call you?
Yes, they can call me. Of course, I'm available.
What's your number?
My number is 602-488-2096. Reachable, you know, by call. You can text me, you can call me. I'm available.
Again, so Rose Imbundu's number as a licensed financial professional is 602
488
602 488
2096.
2096. You can always rewind if you didn't get it. 602 488 2096. You got it. So they can always reach you, and you're able to share, you know, your financial education.
Yes.
But tell us more about some of those portfolios. You are giving an example that when somebody is sick, you know, they may get a reprieve using the money they had invested in what portfolio? You know, in where will they get this money? You know, because you say that you know, when I have no income,
yes,
I may be able to get a reprieve.
Yes.
From what? I mean, where is this money invested so that I can, you know, what do I invest in?
So you don't need to invest in once you qualify for these portfolios, you know. So once I teach you about this portfolio, I show you all the benefits of these portfolios, I'll go ahead and do a trial application, which is usually free at that time and point. Once you get approved, then we move forward. If you accept whatever, you know, we do a financial need analysis. Once we are done with that, I go ahead and do a financial need analysis depending with what you can afford. Once you're approved, the company now will be able to approve you, you know, and usually, like we said, life insurance is the insurance company taking a risk on you.
Okay,
you know.
so it's a form of life insurance.
Yes, it is.
Okay, and typically we know of the traditional life insurance policies where you keep putting in your money and your beneficiaries, you know, get back the money when you pass on.
Yes.
But how is this different from that one?
So this is different because with this one, that is the part that we are talking about, the living benefits. Life insurance with living benefits.
Okay.
So the living benefits comes with it handy. Like I said, if you get critical illness, you get chronic illness, and even terminal illness, a percentage of your money will be given to you while you're still alive.
Okay, so the difference here is that in this life insurance policy, you get benefits while you are still alive.
Exactly, and that makes a big difference with other kinds that we've already known in the past, of we've had in the past.
Yes. Isn't that interesting and something worth considering? This is a life insurance with a cash value.
Cash value, yes. You can also borrow money from your own policy and use it while you're still alive.
Okay, so the other benefit is that you can borrow, you can get a loan.
Yes, you can get a loan while you're still alive.
Alive.
Yes, I have one more point about also this portfolio. It's called probate court. So what is probate court? Most of our community, we don't know about probate court. And when that happens in our community, you know, most people end up losing their money, a lot of money. So some people have their money in their checking account, savings account, they have bought stocks, Bitcoin. You know, some people have their money in their 401k. All that money is invested in the stock market. So when somebody gets sick, you know, and God forbid they pass away, usually all those accounts are usually frozen. And your money will be used to pay all those bills. But if you have, you know, this portfolio, your money will not go through probate court.
Okay.
Yes.
Your money will not go through probate court when you pass on if you have this policy that has a cash value on it. Besides, you can also get a loan from that. We are not done yet. We are just getting started on the case of Rose Imbundu, who is a licensed financial professional in Phoenix, Arizona. She's going to tell us more. If you have questions about what she just said, what is a probate court, you can always comment down below. My name is Dr. Fidelis Tombera. We'll be right back in part 3.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I mean, I feel like I should invest now in...
Are you... Oh, you might stop. Yeah.